Hello pin friends, this is Sarah Beth with Pin Chalet, and today we're doing another unboxing for you. We have the Montegrappa Magnifica Open Edition fountain pen. The Montegrappa boxes are always really classy and nice. This box has their logo on the top, and then there's an interior box that is actually embellished with their logo to create a pattern. The interior of the box is a light color with the branding very clear again. Underneath the false bottom, you'll find plenty of additional information about Montegrappa, the brand, and also about your pen and maintaining it. And this is the Montegrappa Magnifica Open Edition fountain pen. From my understanding, Open Edition just refers to pens that are going to be a standard part of the collection. It's not going to be limited or seasonal. This Magnifica is a resin pen, and it does have a combination of matte and soft polish features. It does have a 12-sided profile. And you have flat ends, and that's the Montegrappa logo. And then the Montegrappa name is on the center ring there. This is a black with silver trim. And that's a great contrast between the black, matte, and soft polish with the pen's satin finish of the IP steel trim. You have a stainless steel number 6 nib with a cartridge converter filling system. I think this Magnifica stands out because of the combination of their long, beautiful history and modern advances. For instance, that 12-sided design. That's a profile that's been around a long time. You'll find it on a lot of mid-century pens. But thanks to numerically controlled machining that Montegrappa incorporated into their process, has an entirely new level of precision. Shop your Montegrappa Magnifica fountain pens at pinchalet.com today.